Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today I'd show you how to configure the access log format for the application in OpenResty Edge. As always, let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has their local deployment. Let's start by configuring the format of the access log. Go to the global config page. The current configuration belongs to the network partition named default. Let's jump directly to the section about the log settings. Here is the default log file directory. If you want to modify it, you must ensure that the modified directory already exists on all gateway servers. Here is the default access log format named main. This format records a lot of information, such as remote address IP, request body, upstream status, etc. The as default means to set it to the default access log format of this network partition. And in the application, if we don't change to another log format, the default is to use this. If you want to add a new format, you can click this button. In this tutorial we use this existing format tutorial example. It records the request time, remote IP address, HTTP host, and request body. Now let's configure this access log format for the application. Go to the applications page. We still use our continuing sample application for the testedge.com domain. Enter the application. Go to the settings page. The network partition named default was previously configured for this application. And the application uses the global config's default access log format by default. We cannot change the access log file when using the default log format. Let's change the log format. We select the tutorial example access log format. Now we can change the log file. We change it to example.access.log. Save it. As always, we need to make a new release to push out our changes. Click on this button. Ship it. It is fully synchronized. Now our changes have been pushed to all the gateway clusters and servers. Our configuration changes do not require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it's very efficient and scalable. We already have an upstream defined in our earlier tutorial. This my backend upstream has a backend server defined already. And we also have a page rule already defined. This page rule sets up a reverse proxy to the upstream we just saw. So when we access the application, there will be upstream content returned. Now let's see which gateway server our application belongs to. Go to the gateway clusters page. Our application belongs to the network partition named default. And there are many gateway clusters belonging to the network partition named default. Let's select one of them to view the access log messages. Let's generate an access log message by accessing the application. On the terminal, we send a request via curl. Access successful. Then, let's check the access log messages. We log into the OpenResty Edge gateway server. Check the last one access log message in the example.access.log file. The log file directory is defined in the global config. And the log file is defined in our application. Run the command. We can see the access log message contains the request cost time and remote IP address, HTTP host, and request body. We can see that the access log message matches the access log format tutorial example. By the way, in addition to configuring access log format for the application in settings page, we can also configure it when we create a new application. Go back to the applications page. Click the new application button to see where to set the access log format. We can set access log format here. This is what I'd like to cover today.